In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to draw the elevation views using the orthographic projection method. You'll notice that I've created some new layers, ortho fold line and ortho projection lines. I'll set ortho fold line as being my current layer. What I want to do is set my ortho mode on. So click that so it turns it on. Now I'll draw a line between the top view and the front view. This is represented as a fold line. Next, I'll switch layers to ortho projection lines. For this, it's convenient to have my object snaps turned on, and I'll check to make sure that my settings have endpoint, midpoint, center, and intersection, most commonly used. Okay. What I'll do is, using lines, I'm going to project the corner of this house into the front view. I'll project this corner into the front view and this corner into the front view. Now, two lines that are going to be referenced here will be a line that represents the floor, the finished floor, and then a line that will represent the ceiling. Typically, the ceiling is 8 foot 1 inches above the floor, at least for the framing. So I'll use an offset command. I'll offset 8 foot 1 inch. Select this line and offset it to this side. And press enter. I'll trim some lines here so I can start to see the shape of the house. All right. Now with this, I want to draw in the windows. I can continue to use projections, and I can project the corners of the windows into this view. Notice I'm very careful with my snaps. So here, right on through. Have another window. Now I'm drawing these. The other option that I have is I can copy that line, reference the endpoint here, and just snap to endpoints. Better zoom in to get that endpoint right. And I'll have the garage door as well. All right. These are the projection lines to locate where the windows are on this particular elevation view. What we want to reference is the tops of the windows and doors as being straight across, and the top of the door will usually be located 6 foot 8 inches. So I'm going to offset the floor line 6 foot 8, and that will represent the top of the door and the top of the two windows in this view. Next, I will offset for this window. It's a 4 foot by 6 foot window, so I'll offset 4 feet. Offset that downward, press enter. Now I can use the trim and trim these lines to show this window. Next, I'd like to do the bathroom window. Just going to draw a line, project it over, and I'll just right through here. So, the bathroom window is a 2.0 by 3.0. So, I'll offset 3 feet, offset this line, press enter, trim this out, And I'm going to select these lines and these lines. So, and that, and that. I'll erase this line. I have one more line to draw, and that will be for the door. Trim these in. Now I have the general shape and locations of windows on the front elevation. The only opening left to do is the garage, and a garage door, often they're 7 foot 0 inches tall. We can verify that by looking up a manufacturer. So I'm going to trim this out for the garage door. So I have now the layout of the front view.